The Kodiak KUB is a rechargeable compact flashlight that packs a punch. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package is the KUB and a magnetic charging cable. Although the KUB ships with a partial charge, it should be charged fully before first use. You may charge the KUB from any USB power source, such as a wall charger, computer, or power bank. Attach the charging cable to the flashlight's magnetic charging port. Be sure to line up the connector with the raised nub in the center of the port. The power switch turns red while charging and green once fully charged. The Kodiak KUB is powered by one ICR 16340 3.7 volt 700 milliamp hour lithium battery. Be sure to remove the battery if not using the flashlight for an extended period. The KUB is protected from accidental operation or overheating by a safety lockout system. Double press the power button to unlock it. The light flashes once to indicate it's unlocked. You may now select any of the 4 light modes. High is 500 lumens with a 1-hour runtime. Medium is 250 lumens with a 2-hour runtime. And low is 25 lumens with a 12-hour runtime. Long pressing the power button from any of the light modes activates the 1000 lumen turbo mode for 30 seconds, which reverts to the previously selected light mode after that. If you long press the power button from off, the KUB reverts to the high brightness mode after 30 seconds. You may manually lock the flashlight by double pressing the power button. The flashlight automatically locks after 2 minutes of non-use. The KUB measures 2 3/4 inches in length and 3/4 of an inch in diameter and weighs in at just under 2 ounces. The KUB features a sturdy metal pocket clip that may also be attached to the brim of a cap for use as a headlamp. A strong magnetic base rounds out the features of this compact flashlight. The Kodiak KUB is made of very durable aerospace-grade aluminum. It's perfect for EDC, your vehicle, backpack, tackle box, and toolbox.